Now, lymphocytes are again of, we have understood eosinophil, neutrophil, basophil, right? We have also understood monocytes. Now we will understand the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are again two types: B lymphocyte, T lymphocyte. From the B lymphocyte is produced from the spleen mainly, and T lymphocytes from the thymus. Are you getting my point? Not produced. See, these cells are produced from the bone marrow. All the WBCs are produced from the bone marrow. Which bone marrow? Yellow bone marrow. And red blood cells are produced from the red bone marrow. But these lymphocytes travel towards this organ. Thymus में जाकर travel करता है and spleen में जाकर travel करता है. They travel to these organs. Are you getting my point? And in spleen, the lymphocytes are differentiated as B lymphocytes. I hope you understand what is cell differentiation. And in thymus, the lymphocytes are differentiated as T lymphocytes. Now, what is the importance of these B and T lymphocytes? What do they do? Now, T lymphocytes are again of certain types. There are TC cells, T cytotoxic cells, and TH cells, T helper cells. T lymphocytes are again of two types: T cytotoxic cells and T helper cells. B lymphocytes again are there B memory cells and normal B cells are there. Are you getting my point? Now what happens is the T cytotoxic cells releases certain chemicals which kills or destroys the infected cells. Are you getting my point? What does T helper cell do? That I will come later on. B cells, what they do? B cells produces antibodies which actually recognize the antigen and binds with the antigen and breaks the antigen or precipitates down, so that the antigen cannot float around or roam around in your blood to give you infection. Now here answering one question is very important. What is antigen? People confuse. People think that the whole virus particle, whole bacteria is the antigen. No, that is wrong. The part of the virus, the part of the bacteria, maybe one cell protein, maybe one part of the cell membrane of the virus or the bacteria, maybe one part of the protein capsid of the virus, or one part of the cell wall or cell membrane of the bacteria. These are actually the antigens. Sir, then when bacteria or virus enters, does they break down and enter? What illogical thing you are saying? One part is antigen which reacts with the antibody. No, I am not illogical. But if you think me illogical, you are forgetting I said that there is also a line of defense where the macrophages, the eosinophils, the neutrophils, the monocytes, they go and engulf the bacteria. Don't you remember that? Right or wrong? They engulf the bacteria and they break them down. They break them down, and those broken parts are the antigens. Are you getting my point? Now you will think that fine, if they are broken parts only, they are inside those cells, macrophages, how they come out again? Then I will answer, do you think that these macrophages and every cell which breaks down, they breaks down all the bacteria that has entered, all the virus that has entered? Do they? No, others are also there which evades the immune system. Evades means बचा बचा के चलता है. They are there. Those organisms are there. Obviously macrophages are trying to fight them, but they are there. So only that line of defense that macrophages will engulf them is not enough. Now what they do, some macrophages, basically the monocytes, they try to do a very interesting trick. They, whichever bacteria has entered, they break them down and break them down into small parts which are the antigens, and produce the antigens on a structure present on their cell membrane, means the cell membrane of the macrophages, the eosinophils, the neutrophils, the monocytes. Are you getting my point? those cell receptors are known as MHC, major histocompatibility complexes. MHC1, MHC2, these receptors are there sitting on the cell membrane. Are you getting my point? Like the blood group ka antigen, same. They sit on the cell membrane. They sit on the cell membrane, and when the macrophages break down the virus or bacteria that has entered, those antigens are presented over those structures. Like antenna, ये देखो ऐसा वाला structure वाला virus और bacteria पूरा attack कर दिया है. These type of cells are known as APCs, antigen presenting cells, because they are presenting the antigen. Presenting the antigen to whom? Presenting the antigen to T helper cells. T helper cells goes and recognizes T cytotoxic cells to release cytotoxic chemicals and kills the infected cells only. That is also a type of defense. But T helper cells and goes and recognizes, oh, acha, this type of antigen. They read the structure and they communicate the structure by cell communication to the B cells. These B cells create specific antibody against that antigen. Oh, acha, tum aaye ho jaake. Now these antibodies are released all over the cell. Those viruses and bacteria which couldn't be broken down by the macrophages, they also fall in trouble now. Because some are recognized, some are broken down, their structure is produced. Now all the virus and bacteria that has entered was same type of the, that will be all over the body. Now antibodies which are produced by the B cells can be all over the body. They go and attack at those places and precipitate down the entire organism. This is the defense mechanism. Did you understand? They break down. Now it doesn't end here. Now what happens? Whatever this thing has happened, this is a lengthy thing.